Scarlet Day of Service is a great opportunity for students to come and lend a hand for others that really do need it. Today we're here helping Sandy Relief and picking up debris of a house for a family that couldn't live here anymore.
Personally, I enjoy this because I get to come out on my own, use my own power and strength to clean up this area.
You don't have to do it for money. You should just do it for the feeling that you get and the goodness out of your heart to just know that you're doing something for someone else and you're not expecting anything else in return.
One, two, three. There we go. Before I pass it.
The part that I've liked the most about today is just honestly the feeling you're getting from knowing that you're helping someone else. We're here for only a few hours, but just knowing that we are helping someone and just doing that for them is just honest. The feeling is the best part of the whole day.